What's up, everyone? As you can see by the title, it's time for some boost. So what kind of boosted my motivation was recently I just rode in my buddy's, I think he said 500 horsepower, about 390 or 400 torque Honda. And my God, did that thing pull. So I've been collecting turbo stuff because I wanted to do a rear mount setup on the G, and I'm finally going to do it. So I already have my full exhaust piping over there, kind of right there. My welder's over there, and then the turbo stuff is in that corner. So I already have everything to do it. I just need to do it. So I figured for today, we're gonna start off a little pretty simple, just to kind of get the ball going. And I'm gonna create the container to hold the oil because I'm gonna do a standalone oil system for the turbo. I'm not gonna have it run from the engine bay all the way down. I'm just gonna make a little container to put in my trunk. Then I already have an oil pump that'll supply the oil to the turbo just from the container. So it's gonna be its own little standalone system. So we're gonna start with that. So basically my idea is I've got some aluminum scrap that I got from work. I have some aluminum kind of brazing rods with my propane, or not propane, whatever this is, MAP gas. And we're gonna send it. And basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably, well, obviously connect this. This is just like flue vent for furnaces, but I'm gonna connect all this together, probably cut it to about, we'll say about right there. And I'm gonna use that sheet to cap the ends. Then I have some 10N bungs, I don't know if you want to call them, to drill holes, connect those, and then I can run the lines to the turbo. But that's the plan. We're gonna cut this about here, cap the ends, get everything aluminum brazed together, and we'll probably fill it up with water or something, see if it'll hold. All right, so first things first is we gotta get this all snapped together. There we go. Not too bad. Looks pretty good. Pretty freaking hot, but... So yeah, I just kind of went as far as I thought I would go, and then I'm just gonna get my Sawzall and then just go... Alright, well, after some struggling, finally got it all welded up. We're gonna find out if it'll hold some water. Fingers crossed. And we do have some water leaking. I don't know from what part. Well, that's a no-go on that. I just keep packing it up, but it's Not good enough. So, we're gonna have to do a different plan. Yeah, and the weird thing is, I just tried stepping on this to kind of rip it off. And dude, it's on there, like I'm bending the metal. So it's on there good. It's just not waterproof or watertight. So that's annoying. I might still use it for the intercooler piping though. I think I'm still gonna use it for that. But well, since that was a fail, yeah. Next video, I'm just gonna go right to the exhaust piping on the car, and we're just gonna send it. So I'll figure out this oil thing. I'll probably just have to end up buying a little reservoir thing then, I guess. I thought I'd try and save some money, but I guess that's not gonna happen. So I'll just have to find one and buy one. But next episode then, we're gonna get to that exhaust piping, start cutting it up, weld it. I did buy some bar stock just to kind of practice some welds first before I jump to the exhaust pipe. And then when I do that, I'll map it out, show you guys what my idea is, what my plan is. I still want it to sound really good because I know a lot of the rear mount setup cars sound terrible. But I have an idea that should work because I have seen it done a couple times, that my car is still gonna sound really good and have all the turbo noises. So that's gonna be next episode. So this first one was a complete fail.
Didn't even get to bronze.